Hey everyone, Matt here from Greenius. I'm here to tell you about our course library tool in our training platform here. So just log into our dashboard. On the left side, click on our training library, and it'll bring up all the courses we have in Greenius. Now we have over 120 courses in Greenius in both English and Spanish. And the Spanish translation was done with our partner that uses the National Hispanic Landscape Association. So not only is it Spanish translated, it's industry specific. It's a very good translation. Now, we have courses that cover maintenance, construction, design build, enhancements, turf, a wide range of services in the green industry. We also have a golf course training and a lot of courses for cities and towns. And I also like to call out our crew leader training. Now, we quite often promote our crew leaders from our best crew members, but we forget to give them that leadership training on dealing with people and the soft skills they need. So Greenius has you covered. So in our course library, you can preview any of our courses. You just click on a course name. It'll bring up a description, how long that course is. You can click on employee progress. It'll show you all the employees assigned to that course. You can quickly see that these people are all overdue on their training. And now you could also quickly add employees to a course. So it's a really great way to really manage your training. Now, if you click on a few courses, let's click on blower safety and box and wing plows. I can now add bulk employees to this training. So I've selected these two courses. I click on add employees, and now the blade pops out on the side, and now I can select all the employees I want to do this training. So again, a really great and easy way to manage your training in Greenius. Thank you.